Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make sweet and delicious soya milk without using refined sugar. Here I have 2 cups of soya beans which I've already cleaned and washed. I'll go ahead now and add it some water, and I'm going to soak it in this water for overnight. You can soak yours for some hours, but I'm doing this at night so that the next morning we'll go ahead and prepare our soya milk. This is the next morning. The beans has softened and also doubled in size. I'll go and rinse off the water. You can peel off the skin if you want to, but I'm not going to peel off the skin. I'll grind everything together because we are still going to squeeze out the milk. We are not using the chaff. Yeah. So I've just transferred the beans into my blender, added some water. Now we'll go and blend it until smooth. After blending, I'll transfer it into my chiffon cloth, add some water to it because it's too thick, so the water will help to loosen it and bring out the milk. I'll then squeeze it out until I've squeezed out all the milk in it. And here we have the milk, and this is the chaff I got from it. So the next step now is to transfer this to the stove and start boiling it. When cooking this, you need to be watchful. You watch it and also stir it at interval. If not, it will boil over, just like it almost happened here. And when it starts boiling, then you reduce the heat to medium to low heat. Allow the milk to cook on low to medium heat until you start seeing this thick scale on top of it. You can either remove it or you still turn it into the milk. After about 35 to 40 minutes of cooking the milk, that raw taste and smell of beans is gone. And it is now time to put off the stove and then allow the milk to cool down before we go to the next step. When the milk has cooled down, you can easily remove the thick scale, and that is what I just did here. It's looking like cloth. It is now time to sweeten and flavor our milk. For the flavor, I want cinnamon flavor, and so I'm using cinnamon tea. This is just cinnamon stick which I just boiled and allowed it to cool down. For the sweetener, I'm using my date syrup. I have a video of how to make this date syrup in my channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. At this stage, you can use any sweetener or flavor of your choice. You can use sugar, and you can also use vanilla essence for flavor. And next, I will sieve it again so as to make sure that there are no particles in it. And our soya milk is ready to be enjoyed. You can serve this chilled or warm, depending on your preference and when you're drinking it. And you can bottle this and store in your refrigerator for some days or in the freezer for weeks. And also, if you're doing business, you can also bottle this and sell. A bottle of this goes as much as 1,000 naira in Nigeria. Yeah, so you can do a good business with this. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please, if you did, give us a thumbs up, share the video, and also subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.